Today's podcast is brought to you by the letters LTT. Hello everybody. Today I'm going to discuss how you can project an Apple iPad or any iDevice wirelessly to an LCD projection device in your classroom, be it a Promethean board or if you're using any other type of interactive whiteboard or just any standard projector. Right now, Apple does have a product called Apple TV, and you do need to use it for this setup. What Apple TV is designed is for home use. It allows you to connect that box to any HDMI signal, like a high-definition television. Now, the problem is most classrooms in America do not have projectors that can accept HDMI inputs. They accept what's called VGA input. So we need some way to be able to take the signal and convert it from that to a signal that can be understood by the projectors in your classrooms. So what you need to do is you take this Apple TV that you can buy at Best Buy or some other electronic store, it goes for about $99, and you connect an HDMI cable to it. The other cable's power. The HDMI cable comes out and you connect it to this converter box. I purchased this converter box from a company called Monoprice, and so if you go to monoprice.com and do a search for HDMI to VGA converter, you'll find it. So what you do is you take the HDMI cable out of your Apple TV and you put it into the converter box. On the other side of the converter box there is a VGA plug. VGA comes out of the converter and you can run it to the monitor. The monitor right now is displaying pictures from this Apple TV. Now, one of the cool things about Apple TV is since it uses HDMI, it can also take the audio signal that's being played by your iPad and send that as well. Well, since there is no audio going through your LCD projection device, you need to take care of it here. On the converter, it comes out as a composite audio signal, and it is a left-right channel, red-white. So if you get a composite cable to 1/8-inch cable, you can run this directly to a set of speakers of any kind. Then if you play a video from your iPad, it will go to the Apple TV, be converted to VGA here, and the audio will play through the speakers. So I'll give you an example. So here I have an iPad. I'm going to swipe over, and to be able to project it to the screen, I simply double click and I'll slide back, and on this front menu there's now an icon right here in the center. I'll tap on it and I'll choose that, and I put mirroring on, and now you can see that whatever I'm looking at on my screen is now displaying on the projector. If I move through the apps, it moves through the apps. If I go landscape, it goes landscape. No matter what app I run, it will now mirror between the two. And as I was saying before, if I go in, I can actually even play videos, and it will buffer up, and it will be streamed from the iPad to the device. So right now you should be seeing a video playing called Cello Wars. And that's all there is to it. Thank you. If you have an idea for a future podcast, please send it to yourcharlotteschools.com/askchrisbress, or you can send them via email to askchrisbress@gmail.com. Thank you.